Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about the FX5 MACD Divergence Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool automatically finds and marks MACD divergences on your chart, so you can visually spot potential reversals without manually drawing every swing. At this point I'm going to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so we have it installed. As you can see, the FX5 MACD Divergence Indicator plots the MACD in a sub-window and draws lines between price swings and corresponding MACD peaks or troughs. When price makes a higher high but MACD makes a lower high, the indicator marks a potential bearish divergence. When price makes a lower low but MACD prints a higher low, it marks a potential bullish divergence. These divergence markings highlight zones where the current trend may be weakening and the reversal or deeper correction could develop. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. The inputs. Alright, so core inputs usually include MACD fast and slow periods, the signal period, and filters that define how significant a swing must be before a divergence is considered. You can often choose whether to show only classic divergences, hidden divergences, or both, and adjust colors and line styles to separate bullish from bearish setups. The indicator works on both MT4 and MT5 charts and across all time frames. So who is it for? FS5 MACD divergence is suited to traders who use divergence as part of their reversal or trend continuation strategies, but want the scanning process automated. Divergences can appear early and may fail in strong trends or news-driven markets, so these signals must be combined with support and resistance, price action confirmation, and tight risk management rules rather than traded blindly. The download links for both MT4 and MT5 and the description below. You can read more about the FX5 MACD Divergence Indicator, including examples and setup ideas, at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.